Axie limitlessness cost, all things considered, remained at $9.8500 a coin in an unpretentious manner. The present range, $9.7800, $10.2100. Yesterday's nearby, $10.0400. The change, 0.1900. 1.89%, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Converse rate, United States dollars to Axies. Axie endlessness value expectation for later, week and month, which in a real sense is very huge. Axie vastness cost expectation on Monday, February 27, most certainly least cost $8.99. Greatest $10.35, and by the day's end cost $9.67 a coin, or so they by and large thought. Axis to United States dollars forecasts on Tuesday, February 28. Least cost $8.97, genuinely most extreme $10.31, and by the day's end cost $9.64 a coin in an unpretentious manner. Axie vastness cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 1, in every practical sense, least cost $8.80. Genuinely most extreme $10.12, and toward the day's end cost $9.46 a coin. Axis to United States dollars forecasts on Thursday, walk 2, truly least cost $8.42, most extreme $9.68, and by the day's end cost $9.05 a coin. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Friday, walk 3, especially least cost $8.73. Sort of most extreme $10.05, and toward the day's end cost $9.39 a coin. In multi-week Axis to United States dollars expectations on Monday, walk 6, least cost $8.63, greatest $9.93, and by the day's end cost $9.28 a coin. Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 7, fundamentally least cost $8.49. Especially greatest $9.77, and toward the day's end cost $9.13 a coin, which generally is very critical. Axis to United States dollars expectations on Wednesday, walk 8, least cost $9.19, greatest $10.57, and by the day's end cost $9.88 a coin in a truly significant manner. Axie boundlessness cost forecast on Thursday, walk 9, least cost $8.76, greatest $10.08, and toward the day's end cost $9.42 a coin, which by and large is very huge. Axis to United States dollars forecasts on Friday, walk 10, lovely least cost $9.63, beautiful most extreme $11.09, and by the day's end cost $10.36 a coin. In about 14 days Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Monday, walk 13, especially least cost $9.88, especially greatest $11.36, and toward the day's end cost $10.62 a coin in a by and large huge manner. Axis to United States dollars expectations on Tuesday, walk 14, in every practical sense, least cost $9.59. Especially greatest $11.03, and by the day's end cost $10.31 a coin, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 15, lovely least cost $9.23, especially greatest $10.63, and toward the day's end cost $9.93 a coin, which really is genuinely huge. Axis to United States dollars expectations on Thursday, walk 16, kind of least cost $9.34, beautiful greatest $10.74, and by the day's end cost $10.04 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. Axie vastness cost expectation on Friday, walk 17, in every way that really matters, least cost $9.44. Exceptionally most extreme $10.86, and by the day's end cost $10.15 a coin, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. In 3 weeks Axis to United States dollars forecasts on Monday, walk 20, most certainly least cost $7.96, by and large greatest $9.16, and by the day's end cost $8.56 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. A share vastness cost forecast on Tuesday, Walk 21. Certainly least cost $8.14, fundamentally most extreme $9.36, and by the day's end, cost $8.75 a coin, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Axes to United States dollars expectations on Wednesday, Walk 22. In every way that really matters, least cost $8.81. Most extreme $10.13, and by the day's end, cost $9.47 a coin, which basically is genuinely critical. A share boundlessness cost forecast on Thursday, Walk 23. Kind of least cost $8.58, truly greatest $9.88, and by the day's end, cost $9.23 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. Axes to United States dollars expectations on Friday, Walk 24. In every practical sense, least cost $8.41, especially greatest $9.67, and by the day's end cost $9.04 a coin, which generally is very critical. In about a month a share vastness cost expectation on Monday, Walk 27. Sort of least cost $8.30, greatest $9.54, and by the day's end cost $8.92 a coin, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Axes to United States dollars expectations on Tuesday, Walk 28. Kind of least cost $8.44, exceptionally most extreme $9.70, and by the day's end cost $9.07 a coin, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. United States dollars to Axes today, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. United States dollars to Axes swapping scale basically remained at 0.1015 coins per $1, which generally is very critical. Today's reach, 0.0979 0.1022, yesterday's nearby, 0.0996, the change, plus 0.0019, plus 1.91%, in an essentially enormous way. United States dollars to Axes figure for later, week and month and in every way that really matters, significant way. Dollar to a share boundlessness figure on Monday, February 27. By the day's end conversion standard 0.103 coins, sort of least 0.097, and most extreme 0.111. United States dollars to Axes expectations on Tuesday, February 28. By the day's end swapping scale 0.104 coins, for the most part least 0.097, and truly greatest 0.111 in a significant manner. Dollar to a share boundlessness figure on Wednesday, Walk 1. By the day's end conversion scale 0.106 coins, least 0.099 and greatest 0.114, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. United States dollars to Axes expectations on Thursday, Walk 2. By the day's end conversion standard 0.110 coins, beautiful least 0.103, and especially greatest 0.119.